Welcome to our channel. This is your host Jennifer, and today, O2b Technologies has brought you the video on best ERP software for manufacturing industries. In this video we will tell you about the effective ERP system that can be a game changer for your manufacturing business. Firstly, let's understand what ERP is. Enterprise resource planning software helps the individual to integrate various business processes into one unified system. This helps manufacturers to manage everything from inventory to finance, improving efficiency and decision-making. What are the top ERP software options? Odoo comes as the first in the list and stands out for its flexibility and modular design. It offers a comprehensive suite of applications tailored for manufacturing, including inventory management, production planning, and quality control. It is also an user-friendly option due to its open-source nature that allow the manufacturers in easy customization to fit their specific needs. The next option in the list is SAP S/4HANA, which is known for its robust features. SAP S/4HANA is also ideal for larger enterprises and provides real-time data analytics, which helps the user in making informed decisions quickly. Why choose Odoo over any other ERP system? Odoo is the best possible solution that one can ever choose for their manufacturing business. Odoo is an open-source ERP and is affordable to use with easily customized modules and integration. Odoo also facilitates easy navigation with a wide range of features. Lastly, choosing the right ERP software need a lot of search and time, and no matter whether you opt for Odoo or another solution, ensure it aligns with your manufacturing business goals. And if you are still contemplating on Odoo, connect O2b Technologies, a best Odoo partner that ease out your operations with Odoo. If there's anything else you'd like to know, contact us at info@o2btechnologies.com or visit our website www.o2btechnologies.com. O2b Technologies, a certified partner to Odoo. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share.